Hi everyone, it's Ashley Hubbard, Health and Diet Coach Consultant, and in today's video I want to share with you some tips that I have to help you eat healthy foods to lose weight and increase weight loss. There are many ways to lose a lot of weight fast. With that being said, many diet plans can leave you feeling hungry or unsatisfied. However, not all diets have this effect. Low-carb diets are effective for weight loss and may be easier to stick to than other diets. In this video, I will give you some top tips and practical advice that you can use to significantly reduce your appetite, bring you fast weight loss, and improve your metabolic health at the same time. Step number 1. Reduce the amount and cut back on carbs in your diet plan. One of the most important parts in your diet plan is to cut back on sugars and starches or carbohydrates. When you do that, your hunger levels go down and you generally end up eating significantly fewer calories. Instead of burning carbs for energy, your body now starts burning stored fat for energy. Another benefit of cutting carbs for you is that it lowers insulin levels, causing the kidneys to shed excess sodium and water. This reduces bloating and unnecessary water weight. According to some dietitians, it's not uncommon to lose up to 10 pounds, which is the equivalent of about 4.5 kilograms, sometimes more, in the first week of eating this way. This weight loss includes both body fat and water weight. One study in healthy women with obesity reported that a very low-carb diet was more effective than a low-fat diet for short-term weight loss. Research suggests that a low-carb diet can reduce appetite, which may lead you to eat fewer calories without thinking about it or feeling hungry. Put simply, reducing carbs can lead to quick, easy weight loss. Removing sugars and starches or carbs from your diet can reduce your appetite, lower your insulin levels, and make you lose weight without feeling hungry. Step number 2. Get more healthy fats, vegetables, and proteins into your weight loss diet. When you have a meal, you should try your best and include a protein source, fat source, and low-carb vegetables with your meal. As a general rule to follow, try eating 2 to 3 meals per day. If you find yourself hungry in the afternoon, you can add a 4th or a 5th meal in the form of a small snack. If you construct your meals in this way, this should bring your carb intake down to around 20 to 50 grams per day. I will now share some advice that I have about the benefits of protein in your diet. Eating plenty of protein is an essential part of this weight loss plan. Evidence suggests that eating lots of protein may boost calorie expenditure by 80 to 100 calories per day. High protein diets can also reduce cravings and obsessive thoughts about food by 60%, reduce the desire to snack late at night by half, and make you feel full. In one study, people on a higher protein diet ate 441 fewer calories per day. When it comes to losing weight, protein is a crucial nutrient to think about in your weight loss diet. Here are some healthy sources of protein which you can include in your diet. Meats, including beef, chicken, pork, and lamb. Fish and seafood, including salmon, trout, and shrimp. Eggs, including whole eggs with the yolk. And plant-based proteins, including beans, legumes, and soy. Now, I still have some more essential tips to give you, so please don't go anywhere. But if you want a complete diet plan for weight loss, click the link below the video and it will take you through to my website. The website link is at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. On the website, you can get the South Beach diet within a few minutes from now. Please click the link in the description box below this video for more information about this diet plan. I will now give you some key tips that I have about how to include more low-carb vegetables in your diet so that you can lose weight easier. You should try to include more low-carb vegetables on your plate. They are packed with nutrients and you can eat very large amounts without going over 20 to 50 net carbs per day. A diet based mostly on lean protein sources and vegetables contains all the fibre, vitamins and minerals you need to be healthy and can help you lose weight easier and quicker. Many vegetables that are low in carbs include broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomatoes, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Swiss chard, lettuce and cucumber. As part of your weight loss diet plan, don't be afraid of eating fats. Trying to do low carb and low fat at the same time can make sticking to a weight loss eating plan fairly difficult. Sources of healthy fats include olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil and butter. For best results, you should try to assemble each meal out of a protein source, fat source and low-carb vegetables. This will generally put you in a carb range of around 20 to 50 grams and significantly lower your hunger levels. I will now share with you some advice that I have about calories and portion control in your diet to help you increase weight loss. It's not necessary to count calories as long as you keep your carb intake very low and stick to protein, fat and low-carb vegetables in your weight loss diet plan. However, if you want to count them, you can use a free online calculator. All you need to do is enter your sex, weight, height and activity levels. The calculator will then tell you how many calories to eat per day to maintain your weight, lose weight or lose weight faster. You can also download free, easy-to-use calorie counters from websites and app stores. It's not necessary to count calories to lose weight on this type of plan. It's most important to strictly keep your carbs in the 20 to 50 gram range. I am now going to give you a few extra tips that I have so that you can increase weight loss easier. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Eating a high-protein breakfast could reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juice. These are among the most fattening things you can put into your body. And drink water before meals. Many studies have shown that drinking water a half hour before meals can increase weight loss. So if you want a complete diet plan for weight loss, click the link below the video where you'll be taken to my website. The website link is at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. When you are on the website, you can get the South Beach diet within a few minutes from now. Please click the link in the description box below this video for more information about this diet plan, which is available to people in the USA. So now, I would like to ask you a quick question. What video topic would you like to see next? You can tell us right now. Just leave a comment below the video. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video and I'll be more than happy to help you. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook and make sure to subscribe to the channel. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. That way you won't miss out on my future videos. Thank you. And it would really help us out if you can hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best for your weight loss plan. Have a wonderful day.